An industry leader selects Rochester as the site of its innovation hub, how this center will take life science developments from concept to creation. New, yet familiar names are assuming key positions, the two firms announcing big changes at the top. And research could lead to the creation of atomic clocks small enough to fit into satellites and drones. Why this breakthrough could offer a navigation system without the need for GPS. These stories and more on Photonics Spectra Now. Photonics Spectra Now is brought to you by Zeus Optics. Innovative fiber optics every step of the way. Visit ceramoptic.com to learn more. And by Norland Products, pioneering high-performance adhesives and specialized solutions since 1960. Visit their all-new website at norlandproducts.com. Hi, and welcome to Photonics Spectra Now, covering your top headlines in the world of photonics. I'm Joe Kaczynski, a senior editor with Photonics Spectra. G&H has opened the doors on its new innovation hub for life sciences in Rochester. The optics developer and manufacturer says this facility is designed to bridge the gap between R&D and full-scale production, reducing time to market for a range of life science applications. G&H says the Innovation Hub offers the infrastructure needed to support more than 100 million medical consumable devices each year. Cognex has named Matthew Moschner as its next CEO. Moschner currently serves as president and COO, having been promoted to both roles earlier this year. He'll take over for Robert Willett, who is set to retire next month. Willett will stay on with Cognex, serving as an advisor to Moschner. Precision flat optics developer Sydor Optics has named Matthew and Jonathan Sydor as co-presidents. This follows the retirement of Michael Ognenovsky, who served in that role since 2018. Matthew and Jonathan Sydor are the third generation of the Sydor family to lead the company. AMS OSRAM has revealed plans to sell a portion of its business to help reduce debt. The company said it's in talks to sell unspecified assets with the aim of generating more than $565 million in capital. Last year, AMS OSRAM decided to reassess its micro-LED strategy following the unexpected customer cancellation of what they called a cornerstone project. IXI, a developer of autofocus eyewear technology, has raised $36.5 million in Series A funding. The company plans to use this money to complete the product development of its adaptive eyewear and to kick off commercial operations. This tech addresses limitations in corrective eyewear by combining a liquid crystal-based lens with eye-tracking technology to offer a vision solution customized for the user. Flexing its muscle again, the Zeus Laser facility is claiming the top spot on the Olympus of lasers with the most powerful system in the US. At the University of Michigan, Zeus began running experiments with 2 petawatt laser pulses. The university says that similar lasers in the US maxed out at about 1.1 petawatts. Recent experiments are aiming to generate a high-energy electron beam that would normally only be possible with a large particle accelerator. Research at Zeus could advance applications in fusion energy, medicine, and quantum physics, among other fields. And steering light with the power of sound, a breakthrough from researchers at the University of Twente, could lead to the creation of atomic clocks small enough to fit into satellites and drones, eliminating the need for GPS in those devices. Scientists have essentially molded the precision and versatility of a physical phenomenon called stimulated Brillouin scattering into a form ready for mass production. Until now, leveraging Brillouin scattering has not been possible, and in fact, this interaction of light with material waves was often a detriment to some experiments. But the work done by this team at Twente could now allow for ultra-precise filtering of unwanted signals, leading to an improved performance, reduced size, and lower cost for high-speed modulators. Have news you'd like to share or suggestions for our team? You can send any story tips, questions, or comments to video@photonics.com. Give us a like and click that subscribe button in the corner for all the latest videos from Photonics Media, and be sure to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. Remember, you can always find more details on these stories and everything else happening in our industry by going to photonics.com. I'm Joe Kaczynski, and thanks for watching.